everyone, in today's YouTube video I am going to show you how to use the wonderful white cloud transfers. So as you can see, I've got a few different examples here, like on this bottle that's been done with gloss lacquer. This one's done in matte lacquer, and also on one of our scallop trays. So the white cloud transfers are made in New Zealand. They come in A4 sizes, like this one here. So they're A4 transfers. They rub on, they can go on furniture and home decor. They come with a wonderful set of instructions and with a test one that you can do. They are slightly different if you've used different brands before, so I'm going to show you how to use them, the tools that you need, and how easy they are to apply. In today's example, I'm going to show you how to do it on one of our glass bottles. So this has been painted in chalk paint for full coverage, and it's nice and dry so I can put my transfer on. So I have this transfer here today. The white cloud transfers, the entire sheet is a transfer, so we do need to cut it out. For that I have some scissors, and then I just have a stick to rub it on. So with these, as I said, you do need to cut it out and nice and close to get so that your halo isn't as pronounced. So we cut it nice and close to the edge here of the image, and I will show you that, and then I will show you how we rub it on. Okay, so my transfer is cut out reasonably close to the image, as you can see. With these, as I said, they are, the whole piece is a transfer, so you will get a slight halo. So we do really recommend that you do it on a white or very pale colour. If you go on something darker, you will see the transfer where there's no image. So do it on a light colour. What you need to do then is peel the backing layer off and place your image on. And then we just use our stick and rub it all over and peel the top off, this top layer. You can see if it's stuck down or not. So I will show you that in a close-up. So as you can see, it's as easy as that. The transfer is all on now. Really fast, really simple. As I said, our top tip is to do it on a white or a light color. Make sure you use sharp scissors and cut out all around your transfer before sticking it on so you don't get too big of a halo. Once it is on, you do need to seal it, so use your wax or your lacquer, whatever you prefer, to give it a nice seal. We use the lacquer often with our glass bottles, so this is gloss, this one here is matte. And our lovely tray here is matte as well, and this takes the A4 size perfectly, our small tray. And this is what they come like. So these are all made in New Zealand. They come with a full set of instructions, and they have a little sample one for you to play with as well. Really great product. There's so many different designs, and we're always putting new ones up on the website. And if you have something specific that you would like to try, get in touch, as they are really open to doing custom designs as well. If you have any questions, please let us know, but we hope that you try these as they are great, and as you can see, so simple to do.